The word paradox comes from the Greek preposition para, which is contrary, and doxa, which is word or opinion, meaning contrary to the opinion or something like that. But that really doesn't give us a lot of context, so the true definition of a paradox is a statement that, despite apparently or valid reasoning from true premises, leads to an apparently self-contradictory or logically unacceptable conclusion. A paradox involves contradictory yet interrelated elements that exist simultaneously and persist over time, or at least that's what Wikipedia said. So, with all that said, let's jump right to our topic, which is the Bootstrap Paradox. So, I first got the inspiration for the video after watching the Netflix show called Dark, which made me want to go and investigate a little bit more about the topic. And kind of obvious, if you still have not seen the season 2, there might be some spoilers ahead, and making this a spoiler alert. So, the Bootstrap Paradox could occur, let's say, if time travel gets to be a real thing for whatever reason. An example for this would occur if someone from the future brings a piece of technology or information, like a book, to the past, and from whatever reason, let's say, someone in the past gets to it. So that information over the pass of time gets to be the very same information the person who traveled back in time in the first place brought with him, thus the object or information gets stuck in an infinite loop in which the object is really never created, thus has no origin. Just imagine someone from today founds a book oddly written by himself on how to build pyramids and time travel. Then he brings with himself the book about how to construct pyramids to the Egyptians. So then the Egyptians like the idea. Afterwards, he realizes that in order for him to found the book in the very first place, he should return to the future and give the book to himself, thus completing the cycle. But then the book was never actually written, even though it says that the author is the exact same person. That right there, folks, is a paradox. Well, for all we know, time travel is impossible, because Stephen Hawking once hosted a party for time travelers in which surprisingly no one showed up. So that obviously and mathematically proves wrong the idea of time travel. Or maybe, just maybe, there indeed exist time travelers, but there are introverted people which don't like parties after all. So today you found out how time travel is impossible because time travelers are introverted people, and how, and most importantly, how the pyramids of Giza were built. Yes. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like. This is my first video. I would really like to get a little bit of feedback from you guys.